So I got the RYZE in the mail. And I got it because of Ellen at plant-based. Oh my God, what is her channel? I'm actually watching her right now. Ellen H. I know you guys know her. Ellen H. Ellen H. My girl. So I got the RYZE. I forgot what it's called. RYZE coffee something. And plant-based beauty Ellen H. Go to her channel. She's awesome. Hi, Journey. But anyways, I got this and it's over here. I'll do a quick show of what they sent me. Overnight oats protein. Okay, all right. So one of the cards that they send. You're amazing. I don't know. Oh, this goes on the fridge. That's cute. A wooden spoon. Okay. All right. I'm gonna be bougie. What's that? Hey. Use me. Hey. And this is the mushroom coffee. I don't know about that, but I'm gonna try it. I'll give you an update and see if I like it or not. But Ellen H, hey, I got my RYZE, girl. I'll see you guys soon. I'll let you know what this tastes like. I'm a little skeptical because, you know, I'm Puerto Rican. I like things with flavor. But we'll see. We shall see. RYZE, I got y'all, RYZE. I got you. Take care, people.